You gotta love it, guys. Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve, they've done it again. They spooked the stock market, at least initially, because they're looking to do 2 more hikes potentially by the end of this year. I think the Fed funds rate now is what, 5 to 5.25%. And what the FOMC participants on average believe, they think it's going to go to 5.6%, which is pricing 2 more 25 basis point hikes into that number, right? On top of where we are now, which again, now we're at 5 to 5.25%. And let's be honest, guys, inflation is still sticky. That is why they're looking to raise rates even more and not cut. I mean, if they cut rates right now, that would not make sense. We all know that at this point, because core CPI, which excludes food and energy, that is still pretty high. It's at 5.6% right now, where regular CPI is just at 4%, so that's come down a little bit, but core is still very sticky. And the last thing the Fed wants to do is pause for a long period of time or even cut rates prematurely and then cause, inflation to go berserk again and they can't control it, right? It's just not a good scenario. So I'm with them hiking rates a little bit more. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments and make sure to follow along.